Hey guys, Brian here from Solid Woodworks. So today I had a little one-day project. A previous customer of mine actually dropped off this pretty rad Ram Promaster van. He actually got the whole thing rhino lined. It's his work van. He loves these Promasters. This is his second one. He got the inside built out with all kinds of aluminum for all of his tools and stuff. Big old rack in here. Nice big old back step. I believe it's built out by this company here, J&M Plumbing Vans. So the work that I did in it was pretty minor, but definitely make the van a lot more comfortable for working and keeping it cooler and not damaging it. So first things first, I installed a roof fan vent, a Max Air, as you can see from up top, nice and sealed. This will help with not letting the van get too hot in here with all of his tools and beating down. He also has to carry a little bit of gasoline for some of his tools sometimes, so it'll help pull out those fumes. It actually has a remote, so he can keep the remote in the cab, turn it on and off, when he wants to, so he's not killing the starter battery, because that's what we wired it to. I also put in this ceiling here. Pretty simple 1/2-inch sanded pine, but looks really clean. He was just trying to save a couple bucks by not doing the aluminum everywhere, so helped him out with this big old ceiling in here. Took about 4 sheets of pine, since they're 61 inches wide instead of 41 inches there. Or sorry, instead of 48 inches, I should say. So I had to use the long sheets this way. Came out really clean. Had to cut around a couple of these little guys here, but just something so in case he accidentally throws a tool up, it doesn't dent the top of the van, and there's some insulation behind here to keep it a lot cooler in here. Since if it's just a whole metal van, it gets really hot really quick. So something to think about. Just thought I'd show this to you guys. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. As always, check out the description. I have some deals on there for solar panels by Renogy. We usually always have description of the build and links to all the materials used in this build. As for instance, I'll have a link to this Max Air fan. And see you next time.